Okay. All right. So in this video, we are going to focus on how to multiply and divide to find the solution to one-step equations. This might seem pretty straightforward, this slide right here. Maybe it doesn't. Either way, it's really important to recognize that 8 divided by 8 is 1. One pizza. 2 divided by 2 is 1 pizza. Whatever pizza you want to think about. It's just important to know anything divided by itself is 1. It's really important to know that. And I'll show you why. All right. So when we're trying to get n by itself, right, we're trying to get that 15 out of there. And remember, it says 15 times n. So times is the operation happening to the n. And we're going to do the inverse to get rid of it. And the reason we can do that is, so I'm going to take this, and since it's 15 times n, I'm going to divide both sides by 15. And then here's the thing that ends up happening. Like I said, 15 divided by 15 is really just 1. So that's why that really works. Okay? So really on this side, on this right-hand side, we have 1n all of a sudden, which, we don't really write our ones. We just have an n. And then over here on the left, we have a negative divided by a positive, giving us a negative. And we have 105 divided by 15, which is 7. So our final answer is this. So we found out what n is, and it's negative 7. Okay, so here we have x divided by 8. So the inverse operation of divide would be to multiply. And you may have heard like, oh, cool, that cancels out. But the reason why it cancels out is really, I'm just going to sort of rewrite. Well, first, let me multiply this by 8 also, so I don't get all mixed up. Really what we have over here on this left side, if I just sort of restructure where everything is written, that's kind of what we really have, or it is what we really have. And 8 divided by 8 is 1. I'm getting used to this computer, bear with me. So I end up with 8 divided by 8, which is 1. We have 1x over here on the left, which means just plain old x, equal sign comes down. Negative times a positive is negative. Negative 48 would be your answer.